Welcome back to the first video in the Google Sheets. Here we'll learn about how do I install the SheetGPT add-in. There are plenty of add-ins which are available in the Google Sheets, but SheetGPT is one of the add-in which I find very interesting, useful, which can be useful for all the business owners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and the freshers as well. Now, how do I install the SheetGPT add-on? So carefully observe on my screen, I have the extensions option over here. In the add-ons, I can just click on the get add-ons option. Here, there are plenty of add-ons. I would like you to test all the GPT add-ins. I've tested already and I found this one much better. So I've come to the conclusion that this can be installed. Here, I just need to enter Sheet GPT option, select the option over here. And this is the second option which I'm talking about, Sheet GPT. Select this option and there are two type of installation which are available. Now, you might only be able to see one. The reason being is I am the admin of the Google Workspace right now for my whole team right now. So if possible, I can do it for all the users right now who are in my company. Or the second option is individual install that I'm looking only for myself. So you might be able to see only one option, which is individual install. I can just click on continue. This will ask you the permissions. First, I'll select this account. And then I can just allow them to giving them the permissions to get the installation option. Right now, I can just click on done, close this option. Here in the extension, if you see the Sheet GPT option would be enabled. No, this is added. It's not enabled right now. So I can select the Sheet GPT and I have to click on enable GPT option here. Now, when I do this, this will give you some window, which is kind of help, which is asking me. And now I can ask some question randomly to check if it is working properly or not. So I can just click on OK. And here, suppose if I tell them data analyst, okay, here I can write as GPT. This is the option which you can see. GPT, give me 10 taglines, or let's say just one tagline for data analyst. And I can close this and press enter. So this will take some time. Let me increase the size so you can see properly. And you can see it says unlock the power of data with data expert analysis. Okay. Here I can also tell them give me 10 taglines for the role of a data analyst. So if you're selling some product, if you're selling some service to the organization, you can tell them this is what you're looking for. Here if you see, I've got 10 different taglines for the data analyst, but it has come into one cell. Now instead of one cell, I can tell them give me a list. So GPT list is something which I can talk about. And when I do this, this will give me a list of all those 10 items in the different places. Let's see if it is giving yes. So this is giving me the data in the different cells right now. It's not giving me in the one cell, it's giving in the different cells. Now here, this is hard coded value data analyst. If I want to make it flexible, I can just do some changes. I can put here double quotes, ampersand or and I can select this data analyst. So now this cell I need to fix over here, F4 and close a bracket. So now what will happen is, now when I scroll down, if you see, this is something which I'm getting right now. Here I can go back. Let me delete this option, select this option and I can drag it on the top. Now this was for a data analyst. What if I want to change it? If I want to write here as let's say Coca-Cola, okay, I immediately switch the domain and the area. So this will definitely give me for the Coca-Cola, right? So the motive of this video was to show you how to install. Number one, how to test if it is working properly or not. Right now it says enjoy the refreshing. And here I can type about, let's say Domino's, enter. So this will give me a tagline for Domino's. If I ask them give me 100 lines, it will give me 100 lines. So that is not a problem for this one. Right, perfect. So everyone, I hope you have understood how to install the Sheet GPT add-in, and we have tested with the help of equal to GPT and equal to GPT list option. That's all for this video.